You gotta love how Jason just cuts to the point. The review is relatively accurate. These things are tasty. The thing is, unlike a normal Twinkie, these don't really seem to have a whole lot of filling. You can just see it's just a cake with a little bit of melted stuff in there. But unlike a normal one that just, these are, I don't know, it's really tough. These taste kind of like French toast things that you throw in your toaster. French toast sticks. So these are tasty, but they just don't taste like a normal Twinkie. I don't know if it's possible to take a normal Twinkie, drop it in some batter really quick, or batter? Drop it in, yeah, these look like they're kind of battered, I don't know. But drop it in some grease real quick, pull them out and immediately eat them. The air fryer did a pretty good job of heating these things. They're sizzling, sounding, and that's when you know they're good. The whole room smells full of them. So if you want to get these, but they don't really taste like a normal Twinkie. So anyway, bottoms up and happy Halloween. Ow!
What was the howling?
Should I have it like this, where I go like that? Or do I do a...
You're kind of a strange looking Jason, though. I mean, Jason knows how to do this knifing motherfuckers.
Well, I'm a beginning fucking Jason. I haven't earned my fucking red belt yet. That was not good of a stab.
Come on, boo, menacing. You stab